Number one. Grace. O, palakpakan natin, Grace.
Happy 7th birthday to the cutest and adorable kid that I know. May your 7 years be as joyful and bright and smile that lights up your lives every day. Wishing you a day filled with fun, laughter, and all the things that make you smile. You're growing up so fast and turning into such an awesome person. Keep being amazing and stay healthy like Rita. Happy birthday again. Wish you all the best.
Say thank you. Mag-picture na kayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ay, pa-picture da ka nun eh.
Happy birthday to you.
The operator na si Pao. The operator na.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Dito ba una ni
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yung sa second bluegills niya po is from kanyang ito ang kanyang message. Happy 7th birthday, MJ. Wish lang ni Tita Bunso, more birthday to come at always mataba. Healthy, healthy. Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at magalang na bata. Mapagmahal na anak, lalab ka ni Tita. Once again, happy 7th birthday to come, pamangkin ko. No more drama, I love you, MJ. Ang Tita Bunso.
Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy.
Ito is from for Ate Rona, to my cousin Matt Jarrell. Happy 7th birthday to you. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti para balang araw ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, mapagmahal sa pamilya.
May linong kumadi ni Joy Latin. Baka sabalin ka
Happy
sa...
birthday to Kami Brad. God bless you always. Love, Ate Rona.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wait, mabagkat. Buwan kaya kami man natin sa amin.
Yato'y naka-live. Ang cellphone natin, ha? Baka nung ka magipigata ako niya. Adino ka lang kapang itasyon.
Rowena, may your birthday be just in the beginning of the year. With happy moments. Wishing you the kind of days that filled with your favorite things. Happy birthday.
Ang paramit na. Gininang na.
From Mama Marie. Hello MJ, happy birthday. Please always bear in mind and heart I will always and forever love you. Once again, happy birthday. From Ferdinand Chona. 7 cheers for 7 years. May each cheer bring more laughter, more adventure, and more dreams come true. Happy birthday and God bless. Tatay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Ito is from her Mama Heidi. Having you as my son has been one of the greatest gifts that life has given me. for all that you have been, for all that you are, and for all that you're yet to be. Thank you so much, anak ko, for always making us proud and every single day. I am so proud and grateful for the privilege of being your mother. No matter how big you are always be my baby forever. I love you so much, anak ko. I just want to apologize my son if I'm not always there to celebrate your birthday with you. But always remember, Mama loves you very much. Enjoy your day, anak ko. Promise. Promise me, study well, and always be good. Happy birthday.
Yung babae lang, wait ko manalong gagawin ko mababato na yun.
And happiness and life. I love you so much.